Hi! In front of me is Oppo A96 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, you need to click on Settings, scroll down and choose Additional Settings. Then click on Keyboard and Input Method, Gboard and finally Theme. Now you can click on Show More and see all available themes. When you're ready, tap on the best one for you, click on the switcher to enable all the stable memory borders and tap on Apply. As you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed, but you can always go back into the same settings, but this time tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now select a photo that you wish to apply as a keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally click on Done, manage key borders by tapping on the switcher and click on Apply. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!